In this video, we will learn how to data publish to web in Google Sheet. So let's start here. Open my Google Sheet, and here you can see I have a simple sales data, and I'm going to publish this data to web. So to publish the data, go to the File tab, then click on the Share option, and here you can see the second option, Publish to web. Just click on it. Now here you can see the one dialog box is open, Publish to the web. So this document is not published to the web. Make your content visible to anyone by publishing it to the web. You can link to or embed your document. So there are two options to publish your document on web: link and embed. So here you can see two tab here. For link, first option, click on this arrow. If you want to publish entire document or only sales data, select those you want to publish, and then select here the you want to publish on web page, want to publish as a CSV comma separated value, you can select this one. Then if you want to publish the tab separated value, you can select this one. If you want to publish the PDF, you can select this one. And if you want to publish the Microsoft Excel, you can select this one. For open document spreadsheet, you can select this one. Okay, these are the some option you can publish your Google Sheet in this format also. Okay, so select your format. Suppose you here I select the web page, and if you want to go through the embed, you just select embed. Here just select the sales data or entire document. Okay, and click on the publish. Before that, here some published content setting available. The published content and settings, the select this arrow. There are two options: entire document. Here you entire document selected, therefore here showing the entire document. Start publishing, just click on the start publishing. Are you sure you want to publish this document? And just click on OK to publish this document. Automatically republish when the changes are made. When your changes are made on your Google Sheet, is automatically republished. Okay, so this is a way you can publish your Google Sheet on web. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.